Hi, this is Becki Drake for SLP 212 with the Receptive Language Therapy lesson. I would be teaching 4th to 6th grade, and I would be improving the use of vocabulary and learning directional terms. The way I would do that is I would start out by asking them if they knew above and below, and I would ask them if they knew the difference between the two. So I would ask them if they knew the words, first of all, and the meanings, and then I would go into front and behind and see if they knew the concept to begin with. Front being here, behind being behind them. If they weren't understanding that and they weren't understanding the terms, I would of course sit down with them and I would show them inanimate objects. And I would ask them, is this candle in front of or behind this plant? And see if they knew. Or I could ask them if it was above or behind, if this candle was above or behind this plant. And if they did know and they were grasping the concept with ease, then I would move on to more difficult subjects. I would have little cards with many different pictures, some very easy, some difficult. And if they were getting it with ease, I would ask them something like this, where they all look like they're next to each other. But I would say, is this blue pony in front of or behind this yellow pony? And if you look very closely, this blue pony is actually above the yellow pony. So not only does it teach them many different directional terms, it also teaches them the vocabulary, the above, behind, front, below. And we would go over it until they did get it using writing on the boards or pictures, inanimate objects, and make sure that they understood the differences between the four. That's about it. So thank you so much.